we talked about Elasticsearch, and I forgot to mention one thing. Should you already have an existing database and you're migrating to use Elasticsearch, then what you want to do is you want to run this one code: rake searchkick dot reindex colon reindex class equals, and then whatever your model is called. So in our case, since our model is called org product, what we will fill in place of product is org product. So this is what happens when you are, let's say, migrating. So what they have here is migrating. So you would run that command to migrate. But there is also another way of remigrating. If I can find it, let's do reindex.all, I think. Let's find a reindex. So let's see if I can find it. There you go. Reindex all models. So you could use that to do rake search kick reindex all if you're running into any problems, or you're finding that some of your products aren't being indexed. Then you could use that to reindex your database. But we'll probably use that command at some point in future videos, but I just wanted to put that out there just for reference. Now in today's video, what our last error was complaining about was, it was complaining that we didn't have a org products edit template. And that's true, right? Because we haven't yet filled in our edit function. So that's what we're going to do for today's video. So why don't we go to our org products, which you should already be in, and what we'll do is we'll fill in that code. So what you want to do is you want to do signed in user, because only signed in users can edit posts. And you want to get the tax details again, right? Because usually for most of our functions here, it's going to involve tax details. And the next thing you want to do is if current org person, and then you want to do an end, or also complain again, registered company. And this is to make sure they are associated with a company. And then you would do product equal org product, and you will find the product that we want to edit with the params ID that will be passed in. And if you remember from our previous videos, that we already wrote our registered company, so this would check if the user is associated with a company, and you will only ever need this for a user to post products. And that's pretty much it for that function, I believe. If we look up here, you could see that the before action checks if our user is associated with our company for the following functions: index, new, create, edit, update, and delete. So in all actuality, you would probably not even need this registered company, because before jumping into the edit, this function would be run registered company to make sure that the user is associated with the company. So that's it for that function. The next thing I want to do is I want you to go over to your error messages.html.arb that we have written way back, and I want you to add some extra code in. This would give our products form validation. So I want you to go over here and add in this if product. If there are any product errors, then you would pretty much split out the pluralized function and the error count, and you would list out the errors that you get. So it's pretty much the same thing as the previous validation code. There's nothing really more to explain here. So that's pretty much it. That's all I really wanted to go through in this video, I believe. In the next video, we'll actually go and create the view for our edit function, but let's just keep this video short. Please comment and subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.